Hi, so we're continuing our series on healthy living. It is 7 o'clock. As you can see, I just got home, but still need to cook for my family. So essentially, I am just throwing some beef burgers on the stove, and I'm also going to cook some mixed vegetables. And I'm going to do bunless. My kids, if they want buns, they can have buns. We'll throw all the toppings on it and we'll be done. So again, for the education piece of it, this does have, beef burgers do have saturated fat in it, but no carbs and lots of protein per patty. Look at that. That's 24 grams of protein per patty. And these vegetables, obviously no fat, no cholesterol. 10 grams of carbs, but you can subtract the fiber. And so it's 7 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein. So it is possible to cook quick and still cook healthy. This will be done in about 15 minutes.